how to build a faceless YouTube channel. How to build a faceless YouTube channel. Wow, that's what's trending right now, and a lot of people are cashing out. The first thing you want to do is to pick a profitable niche, either on finance. You can even talk about motivational stuff. You can talk about tech, things that you know that you have a good knowledge on. You can even use AI to browse about it, or you go to storytelling. That's the one that is profiting now. The next thing is you have to research for viral videos. Go on YouTube and type trending videos. Since you're talking about storytelling, so you would want to go on YouTube and you're going to search trending videos on storytelling. It's going to load. Sorry, my network is a bit bad. And then it comes up with a few people who have talked about it, a few people. All you want to do is to learn what is what's doing, is what's training for. Learn how it is done, learn how people are doing it. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to do your scripting and your voiceover. ChatGPT is there for you. You record your voice, or you use other AI tools to even do the recording for you. Before I continue, please subscribe to my channel. Let's continue to the fourth step, visual creation. You want to go on your browser or your Google, and then you search for free stock videos. Free stock videos. It's going to load. Sorry about my network today, but it's going to load, and then it's going to take us straight to the free stock space where we have to explore free stock videos. And then on the search panel, which we can see right there, we're going to be searching for, let's say a clip of someone writing a script, something like that. But be very specific on what you want. Be very specific. So it's going to load, and then when it's done loading, it's going to show you clips of people who are writing. All you need to do is to download it, and it goes straight into your phone. My network is bad, but this is exactly what the app looks like, what the space of free stock video looks like. Just go through it. It's self-explanatory. Okay, the next thing I use for my visuals is Google Gemini. So you still go to your space, your browsing space, and then you type Google Gemini, and then you give it what you want. Type how you want your video to be. Like this one, I typed an image of a black woman opening her mouth in shock. Do you see it now? Surprise, and she's pointing sideways. Explain how you want the picture to appear, and it will appear exactly like that. You want to go to CapCut, and CapCut is a very easy app for you to use. Very easy. You want to upload the video that you want to edit, and then you can see the icons, edit, audio. You can add text. You can even add an overlay, add videos, add effects to your videos to make it look more colorful, to make it look more beautiful. The next step we're going to do is we're going to go to our thumbnails and our titles. Thumbnails and titles are the very reasons they want to watch it. Once they see it on YouTube, they see a catchy thumbnail, they want to watch. So you want to go to Canva. Canva is a beautiful free app that you can use to search for thumbnails or create a thumbnail. So you want to search for YouTube thumbnails. A lot of them are going to pop up, and then you're going to just click on any of them you think is suitable, and you edit it. It saves straight into your gallery. These things are things that you need for this particular step. ChatGPT is also there to help you to generate so many more pictures. And then the last step is your consistency. You need to post consistently before you can get to monetization. This is my former monetization space on my other page, and you start small, you stay consistent, and you stay faceless. Please subscribe for more faceless strategies. Thank you. I love you all. Bye bye.